So I have spent the better part of my summer looking for items that I can outfit my fifth wheel camper with that will make my life a little bit easier when we take our camping trips. So I came across this extension cord reel not too long ago and went ahead and picked it up because my thought was having those conventional extension cord reels, you got to basically pull the whole extension cord off the reel to be able to access both ends well, or come up with some kind of way to jerry-rig it to where it'll work for you on your campsites. Until I came across this unit here, and what I thought was so special about this reel, this one, number one, comes preloaded with a 14 gauge cable that's 80 foot in length, and it's permanently attached to the reel here. So essentially all I have to do is pull this out like so, and I only have to pull out 10 foot, 20 foot, or even up to 80 foot, just depending on where I'm at and how much cord I need, which makes it really easy to wind back up without having to do any more work than I have to. Now, what's also really cool about this is it does have 4 outlets on the side of this here. Essentially, if I'm hooking up like a projector for the kids to watch a movie, by the time I hook up the projector, the Apple TV or DVD player, or whatever it is that we need to run, maybe even a couple lights, I obviously have to carry something like a surge protector or something that's going to give me more outlets. So what's been really handy about this is it's all built into one. I can essentially just grab this out of the bin here, take it over to wherever my power is on the campsite. I haven't had an instance yet where this hasn't been long enough to reach where I need to go on the campsite yet. And then essentially this thing is rated for up to 1625 watts, which is basically like a 13 amp breaker that they put on this unit. So you're gonna be able to power just about anything that you're gonna be able to throw at this, even maybe like a little small space heater if you needed to do so. Now what's cool about this is it's not just for the campers out there. You can also use this on job sites. So if you've got like a leaf blower, you need to charge drill batteries, things like that, you can very easily take this to your job site and it would accomplish the same task as what I'm using this here on the camper for. Now this does also come in an orange color, so if you like the orange better than the yellow, take a look at that. There is also another availability where you can pick up just the reel empty and then load your own extension cord on there as well. And the advantage to that would be if you wanted to put like a smaller gauge cable, like a 16 gauge extension cord on that's like 100 foot long, you could do that if you wanted something a little longer than the 80 feet. But for me and my needs and what I'm using this for, this 80 foot extension cord has been more than enough for me. And this has absolutely been one of those things I'm really glad I picked up to have on the camper and have on hand when I need it. Other than that, I think that's all I've got for you on this little review, guys. Hopefully that was somewhat helpful for you. Appreciate you watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one.